Hello all. A little tough to see, but we're cutting green mirror. It's really cool, and I can't open the lid because of the fumes. Pretty bad. But I'll show you the finished product here when we're done. Just wanted to show you the one of the things we're working on. Alright, I know it's a bit noisy. I just love watching this, so I wanted to try and show you guys. Alrighty, so a little update. I shouldn't say Kate came up with this one. The traveling Boodle charcuterie box. So you saw how I cut them. The problem is that this material doesn't like being glued to. You can kind of see some of that. And it's because this is flexible and these aren't, they're not going to stick too well. But it's the first try. So we're going to work on this, and we'll get back to you. If you want one, let me know. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching.